Collavate allows admins to set up processes so that they can be viewed even if you are not a direct participant in the workflow process. To do this, go to the admin settings and select Process Visibility. The default setting is set so that only users who are involved in the process, either as a submitter or a reviewer, can only view the process information. However, you can select User and below whitelist email or domain can see the process information to allow certain users to view processes they are not involved in. Enter in the email IDs of the users you want to be able to view all processes so long as they have access to the process link. Now both devteam@demo.collavate.com and sales@demo.collavate.com will be able to view process informations so long as they have the link.